This is the interior of St Mary's Church, Great Snoring in Norfolk, which is from the 13th century. And again, it's got these high decorative carved roundels on the edge of the end of the pews. And this is highly unusual. From the 15th century, but they've been vandalised. That's been Virgin Mary and Christ the Baby, and this is supposed to be Joseph, I think. That's quite an impressive portrait. Not portrait.